Hello viewers, my name is Idris, an IT professional, and I would like to share this video with you today. Okay, and within the video I'm going to talk much about how to secure your computer system, okay, and also how to actually secure your information. You know very well, information is very important, that everyone should be able to know how to secure his or her information, okay, as well as the system, okay, as well. Okay, and some of us, I know we struggle to even put a common password on our system, or to change it in case when there is need arise. So I'm going to talk much about all these basic stuff, so that at least you'll be able to actually secure your system, okay, without any assistance. That's why I'm sharing this video with you. So please let's quickly move on to do some demonstration, so that at least you'll be able to see how to do that. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to talk about how you can secure your system. That's in a way you should be able to create a user account and also assign a password to your system. Okay, so that's what basically we are going to do, and also how you can change the password. Okay, so to do that you need to actually go to computer, so you can click on Explorer. Anyway, what I'm using is Windows 10, okay, but whichever version of Windows you are using, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, you can just look for computer. Just go to computer. Okay, so when I click on the File Explorer, okay, I can actually access the computer. So this is my computer here. Okay, yeah, in Windows 10 you see it as this PC, okay, and in Windows 7 you see it as computer. Okay, I think Windows 8 as well, you see this PC. Okay, good. So once you are there, you can just right click the computer and then click on manage. That's, you right click this PC and click on manage. Good. Alright, so it will take us to computer management, where we can do all these practicals. Alright, here we go. So in this place you can just simply click on the local users and computers, as I have highlighted here. Then you open the users. Okay, here you can see the various user accounts on my PC. Okay, so now I wouldn't just move it on, but then I'm going to create a new user account for you to see, so that if in case you want to create multiple accounts also, you can also do the same. So you right click users here, and then you click on new user simply, and then you give it a name, any name of your choice. Okay, maybe I'm going to give it try. That's the name I want to give to my user account, try, and then I'll give it a password, say 123. Password is 123. Okay, so that's it. Okay, but if you allow this place to be checked, okay, it will allow you to change the password whenever you are going to log in for the next time. Okay, so you can actually leave it, or change it. Okay, password never expires, but it's good to allow the password to expire, so that it will force the user to change his or her password. Okay, the account is disabled, you don't check this unless if you want to disable the account after the creation. Okay, so you click on create. Alright, so here we go, click on close, and the account try is now created. We can all see that it is now created. Alright, so here you right click the try. Okay, now so I'm going to show you how you can also change the password. For instance, if you would like to change the password for the account try, this is what you have to do. You right click the try account, and then you click on click on set password. Okay, then you click on proceed. Yeah, it will give you this particular message, but then just click on proceed to continue. Right, so here it will give you the chance to change the password. Previously I used one password as 123, but here I'm going to use another password, 1234. So I'm going to meaning I have changed the password to 1234. Alright, so that's it. Click on OK and it will tell you password has been set. That's it. This is how you can change the password of what of your user account. It's very simple. So if in case you suspect that somebody knows your password in your account, this is what you can do to just change the password, so that nobody again can come and just use your system. Okay, so I think this is very good, so that at least you can use this to actually secure your system environment. Okay, so this demonstration is actually good for the professional version of the Windows, but sometimes you may not have the professional version, especially with the home versions. Okay, so with those ones you may not get the users container as I'm demonstrating here. Alright, so if in case you can't get it from here, then fine, there's another way you can still do this from the other version of the Windows, those that are the home editions. Okay, alright, so with that one you just simply go to control panel. Okay, you simply go to control panel, and then from control panel you can do the same. So you can still you can just click or right control panel here. Okay, control panel, you can see it there, control panel. Right, so under the control panel you can actually so minimize this. Okay, here you write you go to user accounts here, user accounts. Okay, from there you can actually deal with your user accounts. Okay, there are so many options here: system security, network, hardware, okay, hardware, sound, okay, and other information. But here we want to deal with user accounts. So you click on user accounts here, change account type. Okay, so you can see we have various accounts there. Okay, we have the try account, for instance. You can click on the try account, for instance. In the try account you want to you can even change the name, change the account name if you want to change the name. Okay, you can just change the name of the account. Maybe you want to call it as, let's say, boy, maybe boys. Okay, then you click on change name. Now you realize that the account try has now changed to boys. Okay, so that is very good. Okay, then you can also delete the account if you think you don't need it anymore. You can delete it. All right, you can also change the account type, and then you can actually also change the password. So you can click on the change password and you can just change the password. For instance, now I want to change the password back to 123, so I will just say 123, simple. Then I'll type 123. Okay, alright, here if you like you can give a hint for your password. Okay, so you click on that and then you can see now my password has been changed successfully as well. So now that's it. So now we have learned the way you can actually manage these user accounts in both directions, either in the professional version of the Windows or in the home edition of the Windows. Okay, that's very good to go. Right, so the next thing I'm going to look at is that I'm also going to look at how you can secure your information in a very simple and easy way. Right, so in that case also I'll go back to computer, so I can go to Explorer, then I'll take in my computer. Okay, so here I'm going to create this information in my drive C. Okay, to actually do that. Okay, so here we go. So you create a new new folder. Okay, fine. Then I'll place some information inside it so that we can actually secure it. Okay, so in the new folder, maybe I'll call it lab or labs. Okay, so in the new labs folder also I'll create some text documents as we try. okay, just to have some information inside it. Okay, maybe some word file. Let's try to. Alright, then I'll save it. Okay, so that's it. Now I have now created this information. What is it? Labs. Okay, now check on this. Now labs is visible here. Okay, let's assume I don't want people to see the information or to be able to edit the information within this my try what folder. You see the try file. I don't want people to be able to edit what is there, or I don't want people to say it. There are ways I can actually secure all this information. This is very important. You have to understand how to do these things, okay, so that you can actually apply it on your files and then as well as folders. Okay, yeah, so it can be any information. It can be your video file or whatever. You don't want people to even see it in there, so I'm just going to do it in such a way that this information will be hidden, okay, so that it will be there, alright, but people will not be able to see it, right? Then I'll also show you how you can make it as read only as well. So you right click the folder, the file, and go to the properties. If you want to do it on individual files, that's how you have to do it. So you simply have to click on what? Read only. Make it as read only. Click on apply. Hidden. I want to hide it, so you can see already the file is gone. Immediately I hide it and on apply, it's gone. It's gone. You can't see it again. That's how it is. So here you knew your information, that the information is there, but because you've hide it, so anyone will not see to even think of trying to open it. This is a very good strategy that we use in computer security to make sure that our information are hidden and cannot be accessed. Now I just hide it, but remember you can also apply multiple permissions, okay, or multiple attributes to that particular file or folder. Okay, here I've done it at the file level, but I can still do it on the folder level. The last folder also, here I can click, go to the properties. Okay, I can easily also hide it as well. I can hide this. See what is going to happen. It's asking me whether these changes should be applicable to the files and folders inside it. If I want it to be applicable to those files and folders, then I'll click on OK. So in this case, all the files and folders within it will also be applicable. They will also hide. Okay, but if I want to apply to this folder only, I'll say this folder only, so that it will not affect it. So you can see the folder labs is also gone. Okay, now the next thing is how do we make it back? Okay, so that you as a user, if you hide the information and you would like to use it by yourself, you'll be able to actually use it. So in this case, this is what we're gonna do. All right, so you simply have to go back to the control panel once again. I think I already have control panel open here, so you simply go there. Or for the benefit of all, let me just also go to control panel. Just start control panel like this. Control panel, here you go. There's it. So you simply go, okay, you can take the small, okay, look for what we call folder options. Yeah, that's file explorer options. Okay, in Windows 10 is file explorer options. I think in Windows 7 you will see it as folder options, so please be careful about these two changes. Windows 8 and 10 you see it as file explorer option, but Windows 8 and Windows 7 you see it as folder options. Okay, so you click on this, then you click on this, that's the view button. All right, let me just do it like this. Click on the view button and then click on here, under the view button down here under the advanced settings, you will see show hidden files and folders like this, right? So just please check around to see what is going to happen to our labs folder that is hidden. Right now, look at this. Click on apply. Yeah, show hidden files, folders and drives. Okay, click on apply and see what is going to happen right now. See, so many folders now are back. Okay, click on OK. Now you can see our labs is back, but look closely. You realize that some of the folders, you see them, they are a little bit faded out, unlike some of them, like the lab folder here, you see that they are somehow faded. That tells you that they are actually hidden. Okay, so this is the next thing we are going to actually look up. So now the folder is back. Okay, now we can also open to see what is inside it as well. Okay, yeah, because I've also allowed the hidden files to be seen. You can see the drive is also back once again. All right, so that's how it is. But when you finish, it's good that you also make sure that you go back to the control panel and make sure that the hidden files have been actually unchecked, so that the system will go as it is. Okay, so here if I want to remove the hidden file option, I can just go there and then I'll just remove it. Click on apply. Yeah, apply it in this here, and that's it. Okay, that's it. Now you can see the folder is no more hidden. Right, it's no more hidden. But remember, the try is still hidden. So when I move on again, okay, go back to control panel once again, and then I make it as to remove the hidden files from there. You see what's going to happen, because that one is still hidden. So you can see that try is still hidden now. So I'm going back, and then I'll say if you wanted to go back to the hidden world, then you just say, you come in here and then you pick the option that says don't show hidden files, folders or drives. You're gonna apply, and that's it. It happens quick. You can see that folder is no more, that file try is no more. I hope you are really following up. That's very good. Okay, so we are on the perfect line. So now the file is gone. Okay, but now I'm going to bring it back by using the folder option once again. Okay, and then that file can actually be back once again, and we can also apply other attributes. Now remember, you can apply multiple attributes. When I talk of attributes, I mean these properties of the file or the folder, that is to make it hidden, to make it read only, and so on and so forth. Those are what I refer to as attributes, meaning characteristics of the file or the folder. Good. Now you right click the file, that's the file try. You can see it was back. Okay, and then you click on the hidden. All right, I have to uncheck it. Okay, but right now I'm going to make it as read only. Remember, I made it like this. Application, see, I'm going to put other things. Say application